Right, hello. I've purchased this LIMA with a beautiful body and all buffers intact, and I've shown it before. It's just not working, right? So nothing's happening, and if I increase the voltage slightly, still absolutely nothing. So before damaging the engine any further, I will move everything out of the way and see whether I can fix this engine or not. So I'll just open the engine up. It's not too difficult. I take it here with my fingernails and loosen it from these push little hooks there. And here you go. Now this gives me a good view of the. I think I have to remove the oil from this engine. I will therefore fold out. Brilliant. And brushes away. The stones don't fall out. That's never a good sign. If the brushes don't fall out, I'll remove now the connectors to the engine, and you can see how greasy all of it is. That's horrible. Here as well, a lot of liquid under both, and the thing is falling up. And look at this, it's literally, it's drenched in oil. I mean, no, and it smells like a strange oil. I didn't expect this to be such an oily affair. I'll just maybe move this to the side. That's so oily. That's unbelievable. It is literally unbelievable. And here, I don't know whether you can see this. This one here has come off. This is not going to work. This one is fine. So I have to solder this one here back on. Right, so the job becomes more and more complex. I have to do some soldering. I have to definitely do some de-oiling. I'll stop it here. I've got here a bit of IPA, and I will just dump, literally just dump all of the whole. I don't know whether you can throw magnets into IPA. I found out what happened. Suddenly all the magnets stick to this. So we can shake it. Not ideal at all. A little dirt which comes out here. It's never been cleaned, this motor. Very, very dirty. And I hope I can fix this motor. Then I'll just make the holes a bit slightly bigger here. Let's check again. No, I still have to apply quite a lot of force to it. And again, let's see whether now they fit. That's much better. Right, so after having enlarged this hole a little bit, seen that this one is not a very good position either, and this one has come off as well. So I have the impression that we need to resolder all three and not just one of the positions. This one here is firmly attached. Okay, back to square one. second one as well. I need a little bit more solder here. Not much, but just. And second one. Here we go. This sounds pretty awesome, if you ask me. Now let's see whether we can put it all back together. The engine runs again. That's not bad. No. Yeah, so overall, I think I've managed to fix this engine. Now just for the sake of the video, I'll put the chassis, the shell back on. Just be careful with this, because sometimes it's a bit, you can not only destroy the shell when you put it down, when you remove it, but also when you put it back on, so you have to be clearly careful. Now, here is this locomotive. So, clearly, runs perfectly well in both directions. I think I've managed to fix this, and thanks for watching.